Looking to elevate your tennis game without the drama of a live opponent? Enter the Tennis Ball Machine, your new best friend on the court. Whether you're a budding superstar or just trying to nail that perfect serve, these contraptions are ready to serve up hours of practice with zero excuses. In this video, we'll unleash the best tennis ball machines that'll have you swinging like a pro, minus the sweaty ego clashes. Let's ace this. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the TENSMA Tennis Ball Machine. Elevate your tennis game with the TENSMA Tennis Ball Machine is a cutting-edge automatic tennis ball launcher designed to help you play like a pro. With multiple oscillation modes, including cross, custom, random, fixed, depth, and line, you can tailor your practice sessions to meet your specific needs. Imagine having a training partner that adapts to your skill level and challenges you to improve with every shot. Connecting to the machine is a breeze thanks to the state-of-the-art smartphone remote interface compatible with both iOS and Android. Whether you're at the local court or on the go, you can take your training anywhere. Its compact design easily fits into your car for effortless transport. With a generous capacity of 160 balls and a 6-inch rotating wheel, the TENSMA Tennis Ball Machine is engineered for easy maneuverability over various terrains, allowing you to focus solely on perfecting your strokes. The built-in battery provides a solid 6 to 8 hours of practice time, reducing the need for a coach and making your training sessions more efficient. The innovative full-surrounded hopper ensures uninterrupted practice, meaning you can train longer and smarter without constant refilling. Investing in the TENSMA Tennis Ball Machine means committing to your growth as a player. Experience the thrill of practicing at your own pace and watch as your skills transform. Don't just play tennis, master it. Take your game to the next level today. At number 4, Spinshot Plus Tennis Ball Machine. The Spinshot Plus Tennis Ball Machine is a game-changing training tool designed just for you. Unlike other machines on the market, the Spinshot Plus stands out as the only one not made of plastics, ensuring durability and sustainability that you can feel good about. Imagine having the ability to customize your practice sessions effortlessly. With its quick oscillation mode, you can program your preferred settings directly from the control panel or using a convenient free phone remote app. This feature allows you to tailor your drills, making every practice session more effective and enjoyable. Worried about disruptions during your training? The Spinshot Plus is equipped with a patented D-jam design, the only one of its kind which minimizes interruptions and keeps the balls flowing smoothly. This innovative solution means you can focus on honing your skills without the frustration of jams. Additionally, this machine offers flexible power options, making it adaptable to your training environment. Whether you're at a local court or in your backyard, you can easily adjust the power to match your needs. The Spinshot Plus Tennis Ball Machine is more than just a device. It's your partner in achieving tennis success. Embrace the advanced features that cater to your journey. Enhance your practice experience and bring your game to new heights. Are you ready to transform your training? Let the Spinshot Plus be a part of your tennis adventure. Number 3, we have the Adibo T500 Tennis Ball Machine. The Adibo T500 Tennis Ball Machine is your perfect training partner, no matter your skill level. Whether you're just starting your tennis journey or hitting the courts as a seasoned pro, the T500 adapts to your needs. As a beginner, you'll appreciate the gentle, slow balls that help you build confidence. As you progress, the machine's dual motors offer adjustable settings that challenge you with more complex shots. For advanced players, the T500 delivers high-speed balls at extreme 60-degree angles, perfect for mastering overhead smashes, baseline returns, and precision net shots. One of the standout features of the Adibo T500 is its internal oscillation system. This innovative technology enhances launch accuracy by delivering balls with precise force and direction, effectively minimizing the impact of wind and surface vibrations. As a player, you'll find that this stability helps you sharpen your reaction times, improve your skills, and develop muscle memory, ultimately taking your performance on the court to the next level. Moreover, the Adibo T500 is not just about performance, it's also a smart investment. Many ball machines come with added costs for extra features, but the T500 provides a comprehensive suite of functionalities without hidden fees. Equip yourself with the T500 and elevate your game to new heights without breaking your budget. Enjoy the game, improve your skills, and save money all at once. At number 2, Elite Tennis Ball Machine. The Elite Tennis Ball Machine is your ultimate partner in perfecting your game. Imagine having the ability to customize your practice sessions to fit your unique needs. With adjustable ball speeds ranging from 10 to 80 miles per hour, you can effortlessly transition from gentle volleys to intense ground strokes. Want to challenge yourself? Add topspin or backspin to simulate real competitive scenarios and elevate your skills. With the innovative horizontal oscillation feature, you'll be able to develop your forehand and backhand strokes from various positions on the court. Whether you're practicing solo or teaming up with a friend, this functionality allows you to master your shots with precision and adaptability. Additionally, the electronic elevation control lets you elevate your game by delivering lobs up to an impressive 60 degrees. Perfect your overhead smashes and finely tune your net play with just a simple switch. Weighing only 42 pounds, the Elite One is designed for easy transportation, featuring a convenient inverting hopper and a folding handle. Whether you're loading it into a small car or sport utility vehicle, or maneuvering it onto the court, the 8-inch all-terrain wheels ensure that it glides smoothly over any surface. The Elite Tennis Ball Machine is not just a training tool. It's your personal coach, helping you to hone your skills and reach your full potential. Don't just play tennis, transform your game. Experience the difference today. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Furlihong Tennis Ball Launcher Machine. The Furlihong Tennis Ball Launcher Machine is your perfect partner in sports training. This machine is specifically designed for beginners and kids, making it a safe and engaging tool for skill development. With its gentle toss capability, the machine launches balls 3 to 5 feet high, so you can practice without the worry of high-speed impacts, allowing younger athletes to build confidence. Versatility is one of the key features of this launcher. You can easily adjust the toss speed, angle, and launch interval to create the ideal training environment tailored to your needs. Whether you're using tennis balls or specially designed Furlihong dimpled baseballs, this machine provides a safe and effective way to hone your abilities. One of the standout features of the 680BH is its auto swing function. By simulating random angle tosses, the machine helps enhance your visual acuity, hitting accuracy, and footwork. It's a dynamic way to replicate game scenarios, ensuring that you're prepared for real-life play. Powering the 680BH is easy and convenient. You can use 4D batteries or the included 6-volt AC adapter for a reliable power source. When using the AC power, just remember to remove the batteries for optimal performance. Invest in your training today with the Furlihong Tennis Ball Launcher Machine. It's more than just a machine, it's the stepping stone to your sports success, helping you unleash your potential one toss at a time. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which tennis ball machine you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.